A healthy body comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. Weight loss is not a cure for a miracle of health, and not everyone needs to lose weight, but you may want to work hard to feel the healthiest. When combined with regular exercise, what you eat can affect your health. If weight loss is your goal, these 10 foods can help you lose weight healthily. 1. Whole eggs. High egg intake can increase LDL cholesterol levels for some people, but if you want to achieve or maintain a healthier weight, eggs are one of the best foods. Whole eggs, which respond to feelings of fullness and hunger inside the body, can help you achieve or maintain a healthy weight. In other words, making it a habit to eat when hungry, and stop when full can help you achieve your weight loss goals. That eating eggs and avocado toast for breakfast increased feelings of fullness. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens include kale, spinach, bok choy, Swiss chard, and a few others. They have a number of properties that are ideal for achieving or maintaining a healthy weight. For example, they contain fiber and nutrients that keep you full and hydrated. Additionally, leafy greens contain thylakoids, plant compounds that have been linked to increased satiety and better appetite control in at least 2 human studies. 3. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are extremely nutritious and very tasty. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and various important nutrients. This combination keeps you full for longer, and can help you reach a healthy weight. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Like other vegetables, they're high in fiber and tend to be incredibly filling. 5. Chicken breast and some lean meats. However, a high intake of red and processed meats is associated with a higher risk of cancer, diabetes, premature death, and heart disease. Eating unprocessed meat, in moderation alongside fruits, vegetables, and whole grains may mitigate some of the cancer risks associated with meat consumption. Nutritionally, chicken and red meat are both high in protein and iron. Skinless chicken breast and lean red meat like tenderloin or flank steak pack protein and iron and have less saturated fat than other cuts. Opt for these most of the time to better support weight management and heart health. 6. Potatoes and other root vegetables. White potatoes seem to be disliked, perhaps at least in part, due to the rise of low-carb diets. Potatoes and other root vegetables have several properties that make them great foods for weight loss and optimal health. They contain an incredibly diverse array of nutrients, just a little bit of almost everything you need. 7. Tuna. Tuna is another satiating high-protein food. It's a lean fish, meaning it has protein, which helps keep you full, as well as healthy fats. Eating fish like salmon and tuna can be a great way to increase your protein intake, with nutritious fish fats to support your eyes and brain. 8. Beans and legumes. Beans and other legumes can be beneficial for weight loss. These include lentils, black beans, kidney beans, and some others. Those foods tend to be high in protein and fiber, which are 2 nutrients that promote satiety. 9. Soups. Soup can be a delicious way to increase your intake of vegetables and whole grains you may not get enough of otherwise. However, soup varieties that are cream-based or that include processed meats aren't going to provide the same nutritional boost. 10. Cottage cheese. Dairy products are usually rich in protein. One of the highest protein dairy products is cottage cheese, mostly protein. Eating cottage cheese is a great way to increase your protein intake. This is important for building and maintaining muscle. It is also very full and rich in calcium. There may also be a link between calcium intake and healthy weight, but further research is needed in this area. Many foods are delicious, nutritious, and supportive of your goals to reach or maintain a healthier weight. These are mainly whole foods like fish, lean meat, vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Some minimally processed foods, such as probiotic yogurt and oatmeal, are also excellent choices. Along with moderation and regular exercise, eating these nutritious foods should help pave the way to a healthy life. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you find this video useful, please share this video on your social media sites, Facebook, Google, or Twitter. We hope you are always in good health.